What is SharePoint Online? SharePoint Online is a collaboration tool that allows us to create websites where I can do two main things. The initial step is to collaborate and work together with my colleagues on documents, records, pages, and other related materials and so forth. The second one, on the other hand, has the ability to create communication content, intranet portals, extranet portals, and so forth. SharePoint is a tool that has over 20 years of history. It was up until 5-6 years ago the flagship tool for collaboration in the Microsoft world. It began with a version known as SharePoint Server, indicating that it is capable of being installed within the network of the company. Over time, as Microsoft transitioned to cloud infrastructure, a cloud-based version of the same tool was also introduced to the market, giving rise to SharePoint Online, the cloud iteration of the tool. SharePoint Online provides all the features and is a significantly more updated product in comparison to the SharePoint Server version, enabling us to create these collaboration experiences or internal communication portals on the Microsoft Cloud platform. Excuse me for a moment, I just wanted to quickly introduce myself, then I'll let you continue. I am one of the Microsoft MVPs and I am an expert in all the technologies revolving around Microsoft 365. So if you want updates on SharePoint, the world of Intranet, perhaps on Teams or Microsoft Copilot, make sure to subscribe to this channel. SharePoint Online has gradually evolved to become the cornerstone of Microsoft 365. Why this? SharePoint Online is located beneath the file area functionality of Teams, and as a result enables individuals utilizing Teams to collaborate in groups and store files in their respective group. SharePoint Online has also been the tool from which Microsoft started to create OneDrive, everyone's personal folder who uses Microsoft 365 to save our files. SharePoint is utilized for the purpose of saving the attachments of forms. It is also employed by Microsoft 365 Copilot as a data source to provide conversational responses to users who possess the necessary license for accessing the service. SharePoint Online is present in the majority of Microsoft 365 licenses. It is definitely present in all licenses that have collaboration tools like Teams, email, Microsoft Forms, and so on. The main features of the tool definitely include document management and storage. I can save a document to the cloud in SharePoint Online and take advantage of a range of features to categorize the document with metadata, something not possible with computer folders. I can search for the document using full text search functionality, which means the search key I use is also used to search within the content of the documents themselves, applying to both PDF files and all files in the Office package. Additionally, it is possible to manage document versions. This tool provides efficient document organization, easy retrieval, and enhanced search capabilities, ensuring seamless collaboration and streamlined workflows for effective document management. There is no longer any need to create the V1 file as well as another V2 file, the file containing the old version, the file containing the new version, and so on. SharePoint enables you to maintain a single file and update the versions each time you make modifications to this tool. Another one of the perfect features of SharePoint Online is the integration with Office. I placed a Word document in SharePoint Online. I am able to modify it using Word Online or the Word application installed on my computer. Every modification I make is instantly saved within the Microsoft 365 cloud, consistently in SharePoint Online. The document management in SharePoint Online is definitely one of its flagship features. Besides that, I have the ability to create registries, so lists of customer contacts, lists of supplier contacts, and lists of requests. For instance, I desire to execute a procedure to update the banking information of my employees. I possess the choice to establish this procedure via SharePoint Online lists and enable individuals to submit requests for modifying this information. Moreover, by utilizing the integration of Power Automate or Power App, which are tools within the Microsoft 365 Power Platform, I am able to generate automation flows that have the potential to handle this modification request, starting from SharePoint and progressing through the approval process involving their supervisor, the HR department, and other relevant parties. So, documents, personal records, lists, full text search. In addition to that, SharePoint is widely known for its ability to create communication portals, specifically the company's Intranet portal, which serves as a centralized hub for employees to access and retrieve information regarding the latest updates within the company. Moreover, it enables employees to conveniently locate all the necessary documents provided by the company, including company procedures, manuals, guidelines, and more, which are essential for their respective work. For instance, they locate the phone book. We refer to it as the People Directory, the all-in-one source where I discover all the details about my co-workers, to reach out to them or to respond to the typical helpful inquiry in a corporate setting of who performs which tasks in the organization, in order to comprehend the responsibilities of individuals and who I can rely on when I have a specific requirement. Within the intranet portal, you will discover a roster of company applications. Actually, the intranet transforms into the main access point to the corporate digital workplace within SharePoint Online platform. SharePoint Online does not solely function on intranet portals or management, storage, and document applications, but also for the creation of extranet portals. We can use SharePoint to interact with some of my suppliers outside of my company and use SharePoint for the transfer of content, documents, or information. SharePoint is now accessible in all collaboration teams groups, enabling enhanced productivity and seamless workflow for users. Enables teams to store files in a designated location where all group members can easily locate, modify, and collaborate on them, thereby enhancing the storage capabilities provided by SharePoint to teams with the unique conversation features that are exclusive to Microsoft Teams, facilitating seamless communication and collaboration within the team environment. SharePoint is basically the tool that underlies everything in Microsoft 365,